So tip 6 on creating your own marketing videos is about voice and body language. It's my favourite tip to be able to help you with. Now remember that every part of your body language tells part of your message and story. This includes your breathing, your pauses, your speed, your facial expressions, your hand gestures. So if you're going to be speaking to camera, being able to be yourself is absolutely key to delivering interesting and engaging content. But if you're a bundle of nerves, that's going to be difficult to be yourself, but entirely possible to learn to get past it. Another point about speaking to camera is learning to hold eye contact with your lens, which is where your audience is, rather than watching yourself down on the screen. It makes a big difference. This particular tip can be one of the biggest hurdles that prevents people from getting started to create their own videos. But it doesn't have to be difficult. And it is one of the tips that I expand into a one-to-one session called Animate Your Image. You can find the link to that session below.